How to fix no SIM card detected error on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if you're encountering the no SIM card detected error on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, try to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve network issues and refresh your phone settings. So power off your device, wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then turn it back on and check if the error is gone. If that does not help you, then check the SIM card. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. For that, turn off your device, remove the SIM card tray from your device and then try to reinsert the SIM card carefully. Ensure that it is inserted properly and then check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you can test the SIM card in your different device. If the second phone detects the SIM card without issues, the problem likely lies within your original device. And if this still does not help you, enable and disable airplane mode. Sometimes toggling airplane mode can also reset your network settings. So swipe down from your top of the screen to access your quick settings here. Head towards your airplane mode and then tap on the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Then wait for 30 seconds and turn it off again. And check if your phone detects the SIM card or not. If that still does not help you, now you have to look for your device software update. If the device is missing out any update or if the update is available, you have to install it. So to check for the update, head over to the settings, scroll all the way down and head towards the system. Tap on software updates, and if the update is available, you have to install it. And if the issue still persists, you can reset your network settings to the default. So once you are here on this system, there you have an option as reset options. Tap on it. And here select the first option, that is reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it. Now here tap on reset settings, and once your device is restarted, you have to look if your issues is now solved or not. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you see no SIM card detected error in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.